how to see old Google Maps on your iPhone. So if you want to go back in time and see what a particular location looked like many years ago, then I'm going to show you how we can do this. So the first thing you need to do is open up the Google Maps application and then just go and find an area on the map that you want to go back in time to. Now you typically want to keep to busy roads or popular areas. Now once you've found a destination, just hold down your finger on the map to go and create a pin. Now once you've dropped a pin, in the bottom left hand side you should see this street view icon. Go ahead and click on this and that will take you over to the street view of this place. Now from here you can click on the button that says see more dates, and as you can see, if we scroll across we can go all the way back to September 2009. Now if you don't see the dates, you can always just move your map slightly down the road and you can try again and see if the maps now show up. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.